Okay, we're going to think about the multiplication property of equality and the division property of equality, and we're going to use them to solve this equation. X divided by 3 equals a negative 6. Well, the division property of equality basically says that if you divide by the same, or actually we're going to do the opposite of dividing by 3 because this is dividing by 3. So we're going to do the opposite, and we're going to multiply by 3. So that's like multiplying by 3 over 1, and multiplying by 3 over here would be the same thing. So if I do it to one side of the equation, I do it to the other. And this becomes x by itself because these can reduce early, leaving x by itself, and then that's negative 18. Remember, at any time you can pause the video to double check if you understand what we're doing. So this one we were dividing by 3, so to undo division, we multiply by 3 on both sides, leaving x by itself, negative 18. The next problem I want to try is 18 equals negative 4y. On this one, because you're multiplying by y, in order to undo multiplication, we're going to divide. And I want y by itself, so we need to divide by a negative 4, because I want both of them to cancel. So if I do it on one side, I have to do it on the other side as well. So when I divide this out, these two numbers will cancel. Negative 1 and negative make a positive y. And then 18 divided by 4 is going to be a negative 4.5. Or you could write it as 4.5. Again, if you've forgotten how to, you may use that as your calculator. A positive and a negative make a negative. So your final answer would be that. You could always double check your work by taking negative 4 times negative 4.5 and to see if that equals 18. And if you put that into your calculator, you will realize that 18 equals 18. So I should go back up here and say negative 18 divided by 3 equals negative 6. So you know that your solution is correct. I hope this video helps you, and if it doesn't, remember you can go back and rewatch or pause it at any time. If you think you understand these two examples, you can click next to try 3 problems on your own. Make sure to put them in your interactive notebook.